Hi everybody, I'm using the sugar primer and taking just a little bit and putting it on my T-zone. Next, I'm using this foundation and blending it all over my face and using the same foundation as a concealer as well. I love this contour palette because it's multifunctional. The first thing I'm going to take is the contour and use it on my nose as well. Next, I'm going to take the blush and it's really pink and natural and I love it. But the star product is this highlighter. You'll see now. I'm now going to take the same blush and use it on my eyelids and the highlighter under my eyebrows. I hope you guys liked this mini tutorial using only 3 products.